Okay, let's talk about our sewing department and the wonderful people we have running it. We have Ivy, we have Kelly, both massively experienced in the art of sewing. We have pretty well every machine possible: top stitch, double stitch, high needle, low needle. We have cross stitch machines, anything that build a quality leather piece. All the machines are here. Most of them are Juki brand, which is notorious for being the best quality sewing machine on the market. Especially when you're sewing leather. Leather's a thicker and you need stronger machines to run it. Any stitch color that you want to match. Sometimes people want contrast. We can do contrast as well. But most people want it matching. And then we'll decide on what patterns we do. So right now she's sewing up some tufted furniture that we do. As you can see, it's quite a lot of work, and we have a patented version of doing our tuft. Nobody makes tufted furniture like us, and that's the truth. This is something that's prepared to get upholstered. And I wanted to show this color because I wanted to show people that you don't have to get stuck with browns, grays, blacks. You can get pretty funky with color. We have a wonderful green here. Everything's zippered, everything's double stitch, everything's prepared for us to sew everything together here. Double stitch, top stitch. Look at these wonderful color that we can get to work with. Of course, we'll match up the stitching to the best matching color, and we'll put something together for you. These wonderful people work hard all day. Lifeline of the business as well. Everybody is important as the next person. So when it comes to creating our stuff, from cutters to pattern makers to upholsterers to springers, everybody's vital in making a quality product here at Boss.